Hi everyone, welcome to another vlog in our Urban Deca renovation series. Today I'm going to share a problem we encountered with the sliding door mechanism. It actually didn't turn out the way I originally intended or planned, or at least from our architect's perspective plan. So we actually had to redo the door. As you can see, this was our architect's vision. It looks really great in the drawing, but once completed, at least from the initial stage, it didn't sort of look like the way I wanted it to be. I didn't like that it turned out a bit too thick. So we decided to go back or push for my original plan, which is a pocket door mechanism, and which I also had mentioned to our architect from the beginning. So we really pushed the idea. So actually, hindi naman siya ganun ka-worse then. But then, I believe that it could actually turn out a little bit better. As you can see, masyado pong makapal talaga yung dingding, or at least yung door mechanism, and I didn't like it. So we really need to push yung original talaga na plan, which I also dream of having, is a pocket door. So yun po yung natapos siya, from initial stage. So as you can see, yan po yung mechanism niya. So I don't like it that way. I want it to be more of like a camouflage, parang pocket door, yung nasa loob talaga yung door. So that's why inulit po namin talaga yan. So giniba po talaga ulit yan para ma-push talaga yung pocket door na mechanism na gustong-gusto ko. Yan po yung original na yung stage niya from initial stage. Ayan naman po yung lightning lang yan. So never mind about it. Yan po yung door. Yan yung original na sliding siya. Sliding pa siya. So, we need na ibain po talaga lahat yan para ma-push talaga yung pocket door. Actually, pocket door is very common in Scandinavia, here in Norway, no? So, ayan na po yung na po siya, nabaklas na po siya, numipis na po siya, as you can see. Sobrang numipis na talaga siya. Kung nakikita nyo po yung lining doon sa taas, ganun po kakapal yung dingding niya before. So, ayan, tinanggal na po yung plywood na pinatong dyan originally. So, ayan, numipis na po siya. So, dyan po, kailangan po i-redo ulit yung mga wiring and then yung mechanism para yung door is, kumbaga, parang napagitnaan siya, and then tatakpan ulit siya ng plywood para camouflage yung effect, para pocket door talaga. So, ayan po yung natapos na nabaklas ni Kuya Pitts, yung ating pong napakabait na contractor, yung original na plywood na nakapatong po dyan before, yung makapal. So, ayan, nakikita nyo po sa taas, yun po gaano po kakapal yung before. So, numipis na siya. We also sent a guide to the person in charge sa mga workers doon, something that we just saw online on how to set up a correct pocket door. And this is actually a very nice website. So, here makikita nila kung paano talagang sukat at paano ang kapal ng door. So, binigay po natin ito sa ating workers na si Kuya Pitts para po meron siyang guide para paano niya ma-set up ng door na yun. Kasi sa Pilipinas, ang pinaka-common is sliding door. So, and then we actually trying to find an alternative door, yung talagang yari na, yung mabibili mo na talaga sa Wilcon. But then we change our mind kasi sayang naman yung gastos. Meron ng door na nabili sa architect. So, and we also ask our architect kung anong vision niya doon. So, meron pa daw yun. Hindi lang siya basta simple na door. So, yeah. So, ganyan yung vision niya. So, just to give you an idea kung ano yung vision ng architect. So, mayroong pag-design ng door niyan. So, mas maigi talaga na yung plain lang na door kasi lalagyan pa niya ng design. So, yan po yung vision ng ating finished product. So, as you can see, dyan po makapal po yung dingding, but then since na-change na natin siya sa pocket door, mas maganda na siya. And that's it for today's vlog, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates to our renovation project at Urban Deca.